It's Brooke with Integrity Builders. We're here at a build site. We are putting up a pole barn where an old barn had just been destroyed by Derecho a few years ago. And so we're replacing it. This barn is going to sit exactly in the same footprint of the original barn. And it's going to be a working barn, which means hogs and cattle, livestock in general, will be working and living in here. So that's why the customer chose to do stem walls for this project. We have 2-foot stem walls on the south and west sides. And on the walls where we're gonna have actual livestock contact, they went with a 4-foot stem wall. We have a 3-ply system attached with these anchors into our stem wall. Then our trusses are still set at a 4-foot on center, but these 3-plies are 8-foot. So every 8-foot, then we have this seal plate on top of our stem wall, and everything's synced together from there.